Calling all grill masters and pizza enthusiasts. Do you crave the satisfaction of creating restaurant-quality pizzas without the expense of a dedicated pizza oven? Look no further than the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit. This ingenious kit transforms your existing grill into a pizza-making powerhouse, allowing you to enjoy delicious pizzas alongside your favorite grilled dishes. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit to see if it's the perfect fit for your outdoor culinary adventures. Effortless pizza perfection. Leverage your existing grill. One of the most appealing aspects of the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit is its simplicity. This kit eliminates the need for a separate pizza oven, saving you space and money. The Grill Top Pizza Oven box sits directly on the cooking surface of your existing gas, charcoal, or pellet grill, utilizing the heat source you already have. This makes it a convenient option for anyone who wants to elevate their grilling experience without additional equipment. Cordierite baking stone. The secret to a perfectly cooked crust. At the heart of the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit lies the Cordierite baking stone. This essential element is specifically designed to retain heat efficiently, creating the perfect environment for achieving a crispy and flavorful pizza crust. The Cordierite stone ensures consistent heat distribution, preventing soggy bottoms and resulting in pizzas that rival those from a pizzeria. Evenly cooked toppings with reflective heat. The Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven box isn't just about the bottom crust. The interior features stainless steel sides that play a crucial role in achieving perfectly cooked pizzas. These reflective surfaces radiate heat towards the top of your pizza, ensuring that both the crust and toppings cook evenly. This eliminates the issue of burnt toppings on an undercooked crust, a common challenge when cooking pizzas on a grill. Monitor your pizza with ease. Integrated thermometer. The Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit prioritizes user-friendliness. The oven boasts an integrated thermometer that allows you to easily monitor the temperature inside the oven. This is essential for achieving consistent results, as maintaining the optimal temperature is crucial for perfectly cooked pizzas. The thermometer reads up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a wide range for cooking pizzas and potentially exploring other dishes. Beyond pizza, embrace culinary versatility. While the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit excels at crafting delicious pizzas, its functionality doesn't stop there. The oven's design and heat retention capabilities make it suitable for baking and roasting a variety of foods. Feel free to experiment with baking bread, fish, chicken, macaroni and cheese, and more. This versatility allows you to expand your outdoor culinary repertoire and utilize the oven for various dishes beyond pizza night. A few considerations before you buy: size and preheating. While the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit offers a compelling set of features, there are a few aspects to consider before making a purchase. The oven itself might not be suitable for all grill sizes. It's designed to fit most 2 to 6 plus burner gas grills, so ensure compatibility with your existing grill before purchasing. Another factor to consider is preheating time. Since the Grill Top Pizza Oven relies on the heat source of your grill, preheating times might be slightly longer compared to dedicated pizza ovens. However, the convenience of utilizing your existing grill often outweighs this minor preheating drawback. The verdict: a budget-friendly and convenient way to create delicious pizzas. Overall, the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit is a strong contender for anyone who wants to elevate their grilling experience and enjoy restaurant-quality pizzas without a significant investment. The affordability, ease of use, and versatility make it a compelling option for both pizza enthusiasts and casual grillers alike. If you're looking for a convenient and budget-friendly way to transform your grill into a pizza-making machine, then the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit is worth considering. With its Cordierite baking stone, integrated thermometer, and included pizza peel, this kit provides everything you need to start crafting delicious pizzas and exploring new culinary possibilities on your grill. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.